Frosting is one of the many powerful tools in the iQueue workflow. With it, you can create unique designs that help your product stand out. Here's how to get it done right in iQueue. Let's create a new job. Give it a name and choose your printer. Next, set your media size and click OK. Now open the job and click Write On. Here, you'll see a list of all the spot colors in your job. It's empty right now, but we'll come back to it soon. Let's add our artwork by going to Add-ons. I have an EPS file I'm going to bring in, so I'll select EPS from the drop-down menu. Draw a box around where you'd like the artwork to go. Then click this folder button to select the file. Now click Place to add the artwork. This file has two colors, a black and a gray. So if we go back to our Write On tab, we can see our colors. So let's pick our black color. If you look over here, you'll see a category called White Tints. This is how we choose how dark we want our frosting to be. It goes from 10% all the way to 100%. Now I want the black part of the artwork to have more ink, so I'll pick 60%. Notice that it adds a square here next to the spot color. Now click on the gray color and choose a lower tint, like 40%. Click Apply. And now if you go back to the add-ons, you can see the artwork has changed to the colors we set. We can also create directly in iQueue. Let's add some text. Choose text from the drop-down box. Type what we want it to say. Choose our font and font size and hit Place. Now select this square to choose a color. It doesn't really matter what color, as long as it isn't already in our design. We'll go with this pink. Now to give this text a frosted effect, go back to Write On, choose the pink color we selected, and we'll make this really dark, about 80%. Click Apply. If we go back to Add-ons, now we see that it's to the color that we set. It's a little hard to see because it's white on white. Now that this is like we want it, go to Printer Settings and set your media thickness. Ours is about 2.6. Click OK and drag the job down to your printer. Turn on the vacuum to keep the media in place and hit Start. Depending on the percentages you set, iQueue tells the printer how much ink to lay down. When the print is done, you have a beautiful frosted effect. This feature opens up lots of opportunities for creativity and customization. Now that you know the basics, you can experiment with different designs and substrates to create truly unique pieces. You can even combine frosting with colors all in the same job. You now have another technique in your arsenal to take your prints to the next level.